Okay, today we're going to unbox this cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I've been using a corded vacuum cleaner for years. And the fact that you have a cordless option out there, I am very interested to see how this compares to your traditional corded vacuum. This seems like it's going to be a lot more convenient. So according to the box, we got a powerful suction, longer working time, 2.5H fast charging, LED light, and self-standing. All right. This looks like the battery. This looks like the filter. One of the extension attachments. Another attachment. Here we have the charger. And off top, y'all, this isn't very heavy at all. So okay, it looks like the next step I need to do is install the filter. So you got this little button right here, push it, and then you just slide this off. It looks like you already have one filter in place, but you can put this in here. Just like that. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you how all these attachments are assembled. This is how you remove the battery. You could charge it with the battery on or off, separate. I'm going to start with this small little attachment here. I tell you what, y'all, when it clicks in place, that is a very satisfying sound. This product, for being very affordable, I feel like the quality is top notch. Here you are, can convert it to brush or brushless. Here is the telescoping extension. This is the short version, and you can extend it to be a little bit longer. Great for those hard to reach places. And every one of these attachments are compatible with each other. There's literally probably 10 different ways you can utilize this vacuum. Alright, I wanted to show you how this thing can still vacuum almost in a flat position all the way down like that. It can turn on any angle very effortlessly. I have gotten underneath a 4-inch clearance. Here we have the LED lights on. Alright, this is how you dump out the debris. Here is the control panel. One button and you're on. It tells you 100% charging right here. You got 3 different suction powers. Very nice LED screen. Here we are just showing the mount if you want to mount it on the wall. Once again, the mount, you can easily snap all the pieces in place, which makes it very convenient. Here I am doing all this one-handed. You can lift it right out of the wall attachment. Easily plug it in from the wall attachment. All right, here we go. And let's check it out to see how it looks freestanding. All right, that's pretty cool. And I tell you what, this is very light. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Increase the speed. Look at that. This rug wasn't that dirty, but look how much stuff it already got. And the neat thing about this is you can literally take this somewhere and hit this little button and dump it into the trash. Okay, let's tackle something like baseboards. Nobody likes doing baseboards. As you can see, we've got a little bit of probably spider webs and dust. came out great also. I tell you what, this little thing is going to be a game changer. This is going to be very light and convenient. And I tell you what, if you're still using a cord in 2025 or for the last 5 years, you are going to love something like this. So far, this product has been great, very affordable, and I will put links in the description to purchase this off of Amazon.